Okay, fender fits. Body lines up really well with the new rocker panel and fender. I was worried about that. Seems like we put it in the right spot though. We got some beautiful patches going right there on the wheel well. Look how gorgeous. Yeah. Anyway, that's all for today. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow along to see this here 1976 Chevrolet Square Body. See it through. It's going to be a low, no budget build.